ase na wadi animu whole director general of Ghana Prison Service ama mwalanche this initiative a novel ewo modwuma yem ade ne wo mu na what are you expecting from the public?
The one say obi beda prison edro tomu ni ade no otifie na ono anko hospital a obi ami se obi asem ba onya beda mu dia yen ya said yes say yetumi providing with all the care any indro ehia enti we no aye no eye system aye create a ebe say time bia na nro no aye hia no wo ho a obi yare a enya fe na ye cost stress, but we have everything worked out as and when it is necessary, you know. You be to me the asboa omo nti akwanya me de eja ne say ye ko mu ma ye ntwen na enkoba say oyare a na ye ntumi nhwe no nti obia mpe opepa wona komam say wo ye pharmacist, say wo ye just an individual no faka woni ma wo ye ho say wo mu a bitwa wani abehwe na mo abi wo ho a na odi aboai na ye ma Ghana nyina arehwemu say we know to me in business as usual. And we are going to automated system. No? And even in Accra, no time be a munrai womb, wine a day buy a hen echo. Into a face say, yes, yeah. I see a took me book a conta papa. A trace say, no, I'm with my no. The SSA a day, and no, and I
young initiative from what they are prison 360 degrees. And also a very, very powerful. I don't know, say, say, now they are back at your man for inmates or mobile abontia. How are they going to receive them?
We have 360 projects now. Or how are prisons when you know from say Obiba prison or prison, any old prayer, and they are sending you now into one complete cycle. I have friend think prisons 360 degrees. And the kind of cop apro abonka say we school new we are sorry bow sebi ejomu kra no ye ba enye ma pi wo ha obi o ha o ye kra onin say etomra wo men enti ye create awareness no say wo ho na wo ye bibi ahwe na wan ko ye bibi a emra no betumi aso mu na ye de wo abre ena say wo fun we na wo ba so a how we wo omo didie mo mo na ye mo yaresam any bibia insanujuma ayeye wo ho ni nyina so ya hyehyɛ gaps ni nyina ye wo bibia ye say agrek say ye kire omo ye no na ye bo ama Ghana aduane nso adɔso ama aboa oman no industrialization no ne ma ye wo ha ye hu nyina no ye be upscaling ni nyina a commercialize. It's a register a prison business now a friend prisons industrial and business train bus no baby a wo bia wo pese odi oni edi nkita hode no wo ko social media space na wo type here e mayen e kwan a wo be fa so a wo be link up there are dedicated people at time bia omo hwe a link microphone to the right places. Prison says here we band a PR unit, you know, we are training them in videography, editing, news editing, BBA. In Tiankoba say, Obiba prisoner, we soon admire by a copy. It be a carpentry. Obe Pueno, baby, or didn't table, base and HSA own did. But yeah, comprehensive training, you know, dear Obesun Biano, Opria, environment, and a better say, midway decline. Na and repair will be via settler, na me DBB for asos. Nti eno so wo ho ehwie ni nyina so a opua anya se opua ya na ye gyan ne saa nti se ye ni Pentecost ye nhyehyeye bi na saa nhyehyeye ne ye person sorry ni nyina ebem said de be ya uko preaching wo uko preach channel prisons na oje wo sorry too a o be kofia ye be build the linkage no between ono ne asori no nti sa asori no wo kuma ase na se obekọ na obekọ be ye se sunwane a sofo no oda no oni sunwane sofo no be lenke nti okwa anya hwe no sofo no be so ni mu ama wa overcome the challenges ni na ahwe say transition no aye smooth na ne krakra officers na nkasa kra na eye adwuma no so mo ha bebre ebi ni baby a omo tete nti ye the projects bi ba ahemfo ni bi o ho a o say me de meboa na mesi dan wo me kuro mu ha na nkrofo ba o matene. But we can't limit it to just the chiefs. It should be every other person's business. Nti ye ko only make us say we are and for microphone no nkonko to ho. It should be a constant reminder say prison officers or inmates yeah how no you be so there's obeba no abeboa na emrepa mu no afi bia nso ye bebodwa na ya da omo eboa yen no edi na ya da omo ase ti emre no du ho a we will still come.
Finally about decongestion of prisons camps. What plan measures are you putting in place to do that?
Yeah, camps in there how ni ho central prisons no and how into ube here yes see camps ni bebre but camps ni be anyone to be or to be my prisoner be a certain category of prisoner enko enti no aban say or boy and individuals be Pentecost no so abase omo ba ma yetwa wall afani nyina enti apart from say yeah wall camp prisons are ye be mu akọ no parole bill no so ya pass here we are nessa e won the last stages and then we have the community service bill so ni nyina ba e be ma emu ahenhai na yetumi ayi ejumadi ni say dey say timi kan we no so no da me pa kan so say assemblies ni nyina no some creative offices mine for the implementation of the parole and the community service. And within the next week or two, we are going to roll out that intervention and ensure say we have simple offices for takeoff. And as we proceed, the necessary expansion in Yama Aka say Yedi Yama Ghana unam hwa unstro esan say unim say we co prison Kurana. Ya jumani yama wonya adwen sakra. So there is a brighter future which guarantees public safety in the days ahead. I thank you very much for the